How to be more organized. Most people often struggle with basic organizational skills. While some people are naturally organized, others may have skills and talents that may not have to do with organization. However, with these 5 simple steps, it is easy to learn and habituate yourself to being more organized. The first step is to visualize the situation, whether it be organizing a space, your schedule, or your thoughts. Any of those require a visualization of the end goal. What kind of end goal do you want to achieve? For example, you may desire a cleaner room, a less busy schedule, or a freer mind. Any of these end goals must be something you can imagine and create. The second step is to lay it all out. What does this mean? Well, laying it all out can be understood through 3 components. First, you take stock of your current status. For example, if you want to organize your room, examine what your room is right now. Is it cluttered? Does it have unnecessary redundant materials? Second, take stock of your resources. By this, it means what equipment or facilities do you have to better organize and achieve your end goal? Is it sufficient enough? Do you need to get more or less stuff? For example, you may have an extra set of shelves or drawers that might not have been fully capitalized yet, and which you could potentially use to organize your things. Well, add it to your list. Third, take stock of what you need or need to eliminate to achieve your end goal. For example, do you really need 2 sets of iron boards? Maybe you can get rid of one or give it to a friend. If it is hard to eliminate, thank the object for how much it served you, then believe that you're setting it free. Believe it or not, getting rid of clutter brings in rejuvenating and refreshing energy into your space, be it physical or mental. The third step is to categorize. This is a prime step. Why? Because categorizing your items is the key to organization. It is just like how your mind works, where you tend to categorize certain events, people, thoughts together for simplicity reasons. In the same way, you can simplify your life by categorizing in real time. For example, categorize all the useful from all the non-useful objects in your room. Then dive deeper into more detailed categories. Well, maybe categorize your school documents from your house documents, and so on. Get more precise and detailed in your categorization. And do this along with the fourth step. Label and box each of those categorized items into separate containers. These can be small, big, or just spaces that you designate certain functionality to. For example, the right corner of your room is where you keep the bed, and the shoes go near the entrance of the house. Remember, the beauty of this step is to personalize and create a system that works for you and that matches your vision of the end goal. Finally, step 5, maintain the newly created system. It is said that it takes approximately 60 days to form a habit and automatize your behaviors. So, to try to maintain the system for 60 days and see how it feels. By maintaining, it means keeping the object where they belong right away. No procrastination. That's all, folks. Hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed it, do give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions below if you need me to go through other examples. And please subscribe to my channel for more invigorating videos. Thank you.